Hello and welcome everyone. Happy Monday. It's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Let's begin our discussion with the weekly outlook for Bitcoin. A couple of different factors playing together. First of all, everything is quiet amongst stocks, meaning that the more risk-seeking investors are likely to direct their money towards crypto assets. Second of all, the reality remains that Bitcoin price fails to wow, and we were unable to maintain levels above 60,000. That level was rejected with declines all the way down to 55,000, and then the price started recovering, which may suggest that we may see a little bit of side movement of indecisiveness for the time being. However, positive fundamental factors include that both mining difficulty and the hash rate continued to grow, reaching near new all-time high levels, suggesting that the supply of Bitcoin is continue its decrease. Consequently, for maintaining such demand with lower supply, that is likely to drive prices higher over the long term. In addition to that, on-chain metrics from Glassnode indicate that longer-term holders are still keeping their coins, which is something quite different to what we observed near previous market tops, suggesting that more than likely the current bull run has more legs to go. Finally, some data indicates that supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is near record lows, which is suggesting that we may have a insufficient supply to meet the demand. And of course, from economic theory, we know that for prices to be in equilibrium, for the market to be in equilibrium, prices will need to go higher so that supply and demand equalize. In terms of the technical presentation on the 1-hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether, we don't have a lot of change from what we had on Friday, with the exception of a few movements higher and lower. But currently I'll be waiting for break over 58,000 to initiate long positions. We targeted 59,000 and 60,000. Conversely, when we break below 57,000, I'll be anticipating more declines with targets at 56,000 and then 55,000. Now less likely, so 56,000 on the downside. However, a bit more bullish sentiment on the 1-hour chart, with the MACD crossing above 0 and the relative strength index climbing above 50. Next, we're moving to Ethereum versus Tether. This time we had a bit of a change in terms of the key levels over the weekend, so I will be waiting for a break over 1,800 to initiate long positions. First we targeted 1,820, and then the next target is at 1,850. Conversely, if we break under 1,750, if we break below 1,780, we could be declining all the way down to 1,755. And at the minute, we can see that there is a bit of indecisiveness with fairly neutral MACD indicator and relative strength index as well. Next, however, I would like to discuss some of the opportunities that Ethereum is presenting at the moment. We had a very strong upwards movement over the weekend, and now we can see that on the 4-hour chart there is good opportunity to initiate long positions over 0.535. We targeted 0.55 and 0.57. However, if we break below 0.53, which acts as support at the moment, we could be retesting the levels of 0.51 and 0.5. We can see that on the 4-hour chart the relative strength index is into overbought territory and very bullish momentum in the MACD indicator. The final two ideas come first of all from Polkadot. What we're observing in the 4-hour presentation on Polkadot is that we have fairly neutral presentation, where I would be waiting for a break above 37.4 before initiating long positions with target 38 and 38.85 and fairly conservative stop loss at 36.5. This is based on the fact that we're currently in a neutral territory on the 4-hour chart, but we can see that on the 1-hour chart there is already some momentum gathering up, with the relative strength index over 50 and a bullish, although not above 0, readings on the MACD indicator. So as soon as we have that break over 37.4, long positions we targeted 38 and 38.85. And finally, an idea today in NEO versus Tether. Where on the 4-hour chart we just had a very bullish crossover of the MACD indicator supported by the relative strength index, which just climbed over 50. So these two indicators confirm the bullish momentum with an opportunity to initiate long position over 42.5 with the target at 47 and stop loss at 40. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good week, trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.